SilverPlug is the only certified medical device for the sealing of implant screw tunnels. Materials like Teflon tape, cotton pellets, gutta-percha and wax are not certified for this specific purpose. Their use is not legal and subject to sanctions in Europe and many other countries. SilverPlug is a Class 2A medical device, compliant with the UE 747 regulation of 2017, compatible with any dental implant system, solid and easy to manipulate. The 20 pieces box includes the product packed in 2 blisters, instructions for use, and 20 stickers to certify the use of SilverPlug on implant passports. The tapered shape of SilverPlug enables the correct fitting to any abutment access canal depth and diameter. It is possible to directly verify the depth of the screw tunnel and assess its maximum diameter. As an alternative, the use of a gradiated periodontal probe is recommended. Cut the correct section of a SilverPlug in order for it to fill the access canal and to be totally adherent to the sidewall of the tunnel in its larger section. Clean the implant platform with an appropriate product and remove the biofilm with a cylindrical brush. The secondary component needs to be disinfected and rinsed thoroughly with a sterile saline solution too. Fit the implant prosthesis and torque the prosthetic screw appropriately. Pin the prepared SilverPlug with a probe and easily insert it into the access canal with the help of a plugger. Finally, seal the access hole with a composite or fit the cemented crown, following the usual procedures. Remember to certify the use of SilverPlug by affixing the dedicated sticker on the implant passport to be handed out to the patient. Removing SilverPlug is just as easy. Simply remove the composite. Engage the SilverPlug section with a probe and pull the product out with a rotational movement. After cutting a section of SilverPlug and inserting it into the implant tunnel, it might happen to be slightly too long, not leaving enough space for the composite or cement layer. In this case, it is possible to trim part of the SilverPlug off with a polishing burr until the desired space is obtained. In the case of a bridge with several elements, it is possible to use only one SilverPlug, obtaining several sections. In this example of a 2-piece bridge, it is sufficient to remove the thinnest part and obtain the 2 sections that correctly fit to the diameter of the tunnels. This is the result. SilverPlug. Protect your work and the health of your patients.